Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the interlock switch cover in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flat blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new interlock switch cover. The interlock switch cover holds the interlock switches and the plunger in place. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if its locking tabs breaks off during opening of the compartment. Open the door. Take out the 8 Phillips screws that holds the inner and outer doors together, and then separate them. Latch the inner door and open the outer door. Using the flat blade screwdriver, carefully, not to break the tabs, lift them up and remove the interlock switch cover. This is the old interlock switch cover next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new interlock switch cover matching all 4 tabs and push it in to lock. Position the air diverter on the outer door and install the inner door in place, matching the holes. Secure the doors together with the 8 Phillips screws. And then close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.